I want to make one more rant about West Indies cricket this evening. And this time, we're not attacking the players or the board, but instead, I want to target the apologists and the positivists who every time the West Indies team humiliates the people of the region with their shameless performances, you hear about positives and bright sparks and Harsted and Kofat. They insulate themselves from the harsh reality by saying things like, at least them losing 3 days instead of 2. Me glad Blackwood make a half century. Me like them fighting spirit. I bet them take the next test match into 4 days instead of finish it in 3. These are the people who are basically tolerating the nonsense, refusing to accept that West Indies get beaten till beat no mean nothing to them again. We get embarrassed till we don't have no shame again. People see the writing on the wall and don't want to read it. So they keep clinging onto false hope, denying the hard, cold reality that West Indies Test cricket is now at a place where an official application is in order for us to stop playing the longest format of the game on the grounds of on-field incompetence and administrative ineptitude. Our players don't want to play Test cricket. They are not good at it, and the West Indies board cannot rectify the situation. Let us do like Zimbabwe did some years ago. Stop playing Test cricket completely and go and play T20. At least in T20, we can hold our heads high. Right now, in ODI and Test cricket, see we are. See we are. We shame like that. That's what we want.